Namaskar, good evening. Our coverage on Operation Sindoor continues. I'm Swati Joshi. We're getting some breaking inputs at the moment. This is what we're given to understand. Rush hour at Prime Minister Modi's residence. Tri-services chiefs are meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi as we speak. So Indian Air Force, Navy and Army chiefs are currently in a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. CDS is also part of this meeting. It's a key huddle at Prime Minister's residence, and we have Pragya getting us more details on the same. Yes, Pragya.
Hello. Absolutely, and this looks like very significant in view of the ongoing tensions that we have on the border right now. This looks like a war room for operations, a continued Operation Sindoor right now. It looks like there are all the important elements present here. Prime Minister is also here. All the tri-services chiefs are here. CDS is here, and Raksha Mantri has just joined in the meeting. There is going to be deliberation on the strategy. We have seen how many cities came under attack from the drones that was sent by the Pakistan, and we have also know that now these were most likely Turkish drones. So in a way, Pakistan is also getting help from the Turkey as well. So all of that, and Foreign Secretary said that those were the probing drones. It means that Pakistan had some strategy on assessing our strength as well regarding surface-to-air missile. But also apart from that, we also need to beef up our strategy as well. We are assuming that there could be an escalation tonight as well. And we had seen many ministries, be it health or finance, they have also taken measured steps, and also they are coordinating with their own departments to ensure that emergency services are in place in wake of any emergency or in wake of any contingency. Preparation for the war strategy seems to be being made in here and at the Prime Minister's residence. It's a high-profile meeting, very significant in wake of the strategy that we will be adopting against Pakistan, irrespective what they will be doing and how much we need to put Pakistan under the pressure and how much we need to retaliate and where do we need to retaliate so that it hurts Pakistan the most. It looks like the strategy for that will be discussed here in that particular meeting.
The fight is against terrorism, and it's very evident given the kind of back-to-back huddles that are happening, Pragya, that the Prime Minister himself, the Raksha Mantri, the Tri-Services Chiefs, NSA, CDS, all maintaining a close watch on what's transpiring, especially in wake of the information that is coming to fore about the Turkish drones perhaps that have been used by the Pakistani side. Thank you very much, Pragya. Keep on tracking the developments. We'll come back to you to know what is happening in these meetings.